also a restaurant.
So, student Dr. Hicks, what do we observe in the patient?
Well, it's like we used to say on the farm. Sometimes a man has a cough, sometimes he has a helicopter stuck in his sternum.
I'd recommend surgery.
Ah! Oh.
Dr. Pectoral, how many times have I asked you not to jump cut us?
Often. So we cutting this whirlybird out of this hot daddy or not?
If you'll excuse me, this is my patient, and I do things at Stock Hospital by the book. Student Dr. Hicks, order an MRI and a talk screen. I want to be sure of what we're dealing with.
You wanted a consult?
Yes, thank you, Dr. TV's Ashley Tisdale.
Make it quick. This isn't the only helicopter extraction I have today.
Oh, when will they outlaw those sky beasts?
Sir, yes, you're correct. I am TV's Ashley Tisdale. I always check to make sure it's okay with the patient. I understand being treated by a quadruple threat can be stressful. Sorry, without consent, I can't examine this patient. It's the oath I took when I started this impressive new chapter in my life.
He's got a helicopter in him, damn it.
Not until a test says so. But if it'll shut you up, I'll add an STD panel.